So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second week of me documenting my weekly trading results here on YouTube. So what I normally do is very simple. Every end of the week, I document and I come and show you the trades that I took for the week, if they were losing trades or winning ones, right? And eventually I show you the overall results for the week. I sum the trades up and I see if the trades gave us a winning week or they gave us a losing week, right? So this is what this YouTube video is all going to be about. So let's get to the first trade of the week that I took. So the first trade I took was on Monday and it was a buy. And the reasons as to why I was looking for buy, as you can see from the screen, from the daily time frame, the overall sentiment of the market is bullish. The market has been so bullish, not even giving us retracements, right? So this was the reasons as to why I was looking for buys. So when we head down to the 15 minutes time frame to see what happened during New York session. So what happened here in the 15 minutes time frame is that the market dropped structure to the upside here and did leave behind a bullish 15 minutes order block right here. Right now the market retraced down somewhere there within the 15 minutes order block. Now in the 5 minutes time frame, I wanted to see some form of internal liquidity sweep so that I could look for my buys. As simple as that. When we head down to a 5 minutes time frame, so from the 5 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market took liquidities over here. These were short internal liquidities, right? This was an internal liquidity, but still, in my opinion, it is valid. So I was now looking for market structure shift, and as you can see here, the market gave us a very clean market structure shift over here, right? And I entered immediately after the market structure shift somewhere there. My stops are just below here, and I was looking for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4, right? 1 to 4 somewhere right there. But what happened is that the market hit a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. I took 50% of the position, and eventually the market reversed, took us off at break even, because what I normally do is that when I take 50% of the position, I move my stops to break even. So what happened is that the market hit a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. I took 50% of the position, and eventually it reversed, took us off at break even and headed to our direction. So this is the first trade of the week. Let's go for Tuesday, the second trade of the week. So the second trade of the week I took was on Tuesday, and it was still a buy. The reason being, as you can see on the screen, the market is aggressively bullish on daily time frame, right? It was what I needed to look for buys on Tuesday. When we head down to the 15 minutes time frame to see what happened in New York session. So in New York session, as you can see here, before New York session, actually, the market has been bouncing off these bullish order blocks. These bullish order blocks has been bouncing off these bullish order blocks. So still I still wanted to see the market bounce off or give us a reaction of this bullish order block as well, the one I marked just right now. So it was the reason I took the buy on Tuesday, right? So when we head down to the 5 minutes time frame where I take my trades, and you see the point where I actually took my trade. So as you can see from the 5 minutes time frame, the market gave us a reaction of this 15 minutes bullish order block, right? So I entered my trades just somewhere there, and my stops are just below these lows, right? My TP was, as always, a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4. But what did happen here is that the market even never gave us a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 before it reversed and took us off at our stop loss. We took this loss on Tuesday, right? So on Tuesday, it was a loss. Let's go to Wednesday and we see what happened on Wednesday. So when we head to the third and the last trade I took for the week, which was on Wednesday. Actually, if I'm to be honest with you, I never wanted to take a trade on Wednesday because it was already on the 24th of December, of which the following day was going to be what? The festival. Right? So I never wanted to take the trade on Wednesday but I saw an opportunity which even never aligned with my daily bias, but still I took the trade anyway, right? So let's see how I took that trade. As you can see from the 15 minutes time frame, the market was what? Breaking lows to the downside, right? As you can see over there, the market again took these lows over here. So it was just breaking lows to the downside. So as it took that low, I wanted it to give me some form of retracement so I can hop on a sell trade so quick, right? So I went down to the 5 minutes time frame to see if at all it gave us the opportunity. So the market, after breaking that low, it reached down here, retraced a little bit to that order block. Then I took my trades just somewhere there, and my stops were just above these highs, right? And my TP was, as a result, as always, 1 to 4. But what did happen is that the market hit our 1 to 2 or our first TP, which is at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? I took 50% of the position, and as always, I moved my stops to break even. Now, what did happen is that the market failed to give us a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4. It reversed immediately after a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 and took us off at break even. So we made 1% from that trade on Wednesday, which was even our last trade for the week. So guys, this is what happened on Wednesday. So guys, this is our overall weekly result for this week. And I took only 3 trades, as you can see. Monday, I took the first trade, Tuesday, the second, and Wednesday, the last trade of the week. And as you can see, on Monday, the market took us over at break even, and we eventually made only 1% from the trade. On Tuesday, we lost the trade. We lost 1% as well. On Wednesday, the same thing. The market took us off at break even, and we made only 1%. So the overall results of the trades is 1% for the week. At least it is far better than nothing, or far better than negative, right? So let's see where the next week or next episode of the trading results is going to look like. I hope it's going to be more than 1% this time, right? So guys, this is what we had for the week. So guys, this is the ProFarm account that I've been trading for some time now. It's a 5,000 USD account, but as you can see over here, I'm up 3.6%, right? I'll be documenting this account, and we see how far we shall go with this account, right? Every end of the week, from these videos that I make, you will see how the account has gone from where it is right now, right? So make sure you hit the subscribe button and you like the video so that you don't miss any of the next episodes that will be coming out as far as this account is concerned, right? I'm gonna try to document every bit of this account in YouTube channel so that you don't miss, and you also feel motivated in trading ProFarm accounts, right? So guys, this is the end of this video, and thank you for watching. If at all you have watched up to the end of this video, make sure you like and subscribe, right? Don't forget. I hope this video was insightful, and see you in the next episode.